The average grocery bill is continuing to rise, and with each new trip to the store, our dollars are buying less and less. So I've wanted to see what I can make for dinner with just $5. And this week I wanted to try something with rice, in particular fried rice. So let's go shopping and see what we can make for just $5. This time around was a lot more challenging than I expected, but I think we are still set up for success with our purchases. First and foremost, we're going to sort out our rice. This 1 kilo store brand bag was $1.40. Now for fried rice, we want day-old rice. So I'm going to get this cooking now and then come back for it tomorrow. For ease, I'm going to use a rice cooker to help me out, but stovetop via the packet instruction is also fine. We are going to portion out 3 cups, which still leaves another cup or so in the packet, and we're going to cook this away, not much else to it. Once cooked, be sure to take out the rice and fluff it up for a bit, and then we're going to let it cool down before it's covered and then put in the fridge overnight for tomorrow. Then fast forwarding 24 hours, we're going to grab out the rice and set it aside nearby ready for later. In the meantime, we'll gather up our other ingredients and get prepping. For our money, we were able to get 1 carrot, 1 shallot, some garlic, and the heavy hitter, some sweet soy sauce. We will cover the breakdown of everything shortly, but first, let's wash our carrot and get chopping. I'm going to work pretty simply with the carrot by peeling it, topping and tailing, and then cutting into planks, then sticks, and then chopping up to get nice little cubes. I do not know the fancy chefy word for that. Individual carrots were $2.50 per kilo, and this sole carrot was 40 cents. Next is our shallot, which gets the top and tail cut, the skin peeled away, and then we're going to simply slice it up. Shallots were $13 per kilo, and this one was 27 cents. After the shallot is dealt with, onto the garlic. Give it some CPR, and then remove the excess peel, bash the cloves up to remove the skin, and then chop away to get nice fine pieces. Garlic was $29 per kilo, with this bulb being 32 cents. Once the garlic is aside, we will get the soy sauce and the rice on hand and get on the stove. We want a wok on high heat, to which we are going to add some oil. Once hot, coat the wok and then place in the carrot. We're going to fry this off for a few minutes, making sure we add in some salt to help it along, and then after a few minutes, we'll add in the shallots. Cook this off for a few more minutes, and then the garlic will join in. Once happy with the garlic, add in the rice and mix on through. It's preferable that we make sure the rice is clump free prior to putting it in the wok for easier cooking, but it's not the end of the world like you see here, so don't be afraid if it is clumpy. After everything is mixed through, we will pour in our sweet soy sauce. This bottle was $1.80 and was the cheapest I could get, but it's going to add a nice sweet and salty flavor to the final dish. Fry this all off for a few minutes, and once nicely incorporated, it's time to serve up. With everything added together from the store, we have a final price of just $4.19. From this, we can get 4 nice portions for $1.05 each, or 2 large portions for $2.10 rounded up. What we will get is a lovely, sweet, salty, and substantial fried rice that will beat the takeout cravings, will fill us up, and most importantly, won't break the bank. With the spare change, I could have bought an extra carrot, some larger garlic, or some slightly different soy sauce, but for how cheap this meal is overall and the flavor it achieves, I'm more than happy with what it has delivered. On top of this, I can safely say we have yet again defeated the $5 dinner challenge. So tell me, what else could I try and make for just $5? Be sure to comment what you'd like to see down below, and be sure to subscribe to see what comes next. Thanks all, and I'll see you in the next one.